I was born in Brooklyn to an Irish-Russian mother and a Haitian father. I started making jewelry at a very young age, mostly with beads and shells and different interesting stones that I found in Haiti, just like playing around the yard. And I started off just for fun, making things for myself, and then lots of friends asked me if they could buy pieces from me. So I started small initially, just doing things with friends, and then I opened up my own online store, and it's grown since then. I've partnered with a company that helps me properly brand the jewelry line. So this is where the magic happens. I created a little workstation at home. Right now I do all of the manufacturing myself. This is my lookbook that I keep right next to me while I'm working of my last line for this last season, which was called Bohio, which is inspired grandly by Anakauna. So a lot of pieces have turquoise and spears, and very dramatic, but relevant to the inspiration that are gathered from the culture. I recently launched my first men's line. In this little corner here I have a lot of the men's pieces, which are a little bit chunkier, bolder, a little longer for the men's necklaces. The line is really created for the modern day kings who are proud to wear their crowns. So my dream and my overall goal is to introduce and provide or share really the gifts that Haiti has to offer, the beautiful culture and all of the natural resources that are there that people don't always embrace or don't want to recognize or give the value and importance and the acknowledgement that it deserves. So I try to do that in all of the artistic realms that I'm involved in, with my music, with my art, with my jewelry line. I really want to basically make everyone feel like it's safe, it's okay to wear a veve on a piece of jewelry, because you don't necessarily have to be practicing voodoo, but you may appreciate the art or the energy or the beauty that's behind what it's represented as. La vie pas finie, Haïti chérie, continuez sous